Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gboard setting. So after you click on your Gboard, it's going to take you to Gboard settings right here. However, there are some phones that come with pre-install of Gboard. So for you to get to Gboard settings, I'm going to walk you through this process step by step. So I'm going to simply exit from here now. Then for you to get to settings on your Gboard, we can make use of Instagram right here. So I'm going to open up my Instagram right here. Then after open up my Instagram, let's say for instance, I want to make a comment on this post right here, and I want to use voice notes to maybe comment. What we want to do is to simply click on here to open the comment section. Then this is going to pop up. Here you can see that the voice mic is not being activated right here. So once you click on the comment section, then it's bring out your keyboard. Here we want to make use of voice note. Okay, now for that, what we want to do, so for us to have access to settings, what we want to do is to click on the setting icon right here, and to take us right here. Now we can activate our voice typing on our Gboard, and for that, what we want to do is to simply click on voice typing right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you turn on this. So after you turn on this, then you can start type, and it will recognize your voice and automatically convert it into typing, and you can send your message or comment in any social media apps or platform or website. How do we put it into test? I'm going to exit from my Gboard right here. Then I'll go ahead and test it on my Instagram account. So I'll click on my Instagram right here. So I'll simply click on my Instagram right here. So after open up my Instagram, let's say for instance, I want to put a comment right here in form of voice typing. What we want to do is to click on comment section right here. Then after click on comment section, now you have your mic right here, just like what you see beside in the last icon on the keyboard right here. Okay, so what we want to do now is to make use of this particular mic and put in our comments. And for us to make use of this particular voice type, what we want to do is to click on mic. And the message has been sent. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Gboard, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.